Hey, what's going on guys, Pasha, and today I'll be teaching you how to download and install Sony Vegas Pro 15 for free, and this is the quickest method of doing it. So what you have to do is just click the link in the description and open the RAR file, download it and open the RAR file, and the RAR file will be like this. And once you unzip it, it looks something like this. You just have to open it, and what you have to do is first click on DLM Vegas Pro 15, and it'll take some time, and then it'll open a web page. So you just have to close it and then go in whatever your language is. I'll choose English, and then it'll close. So open it again. Yeah, so when you'll do it, you'll see that all the Vegas Pro 15, Vegas DVD, and all the other headphones and these plugins are already there. So what you have to do is just continue, okay? And I'll not do it because I already have the Vegas Pro 15 installed in my PC. So you just have to do that, and there will be the Vegas will be installed in your computer, but you don't have to open it, because if you open it, it'll be in its trial version, and then you can't just, now then you have to uninstall and do it again. So what you have to do is, after doing this, you just have to simply open the patch, and the patch is in I guess Russian. What you have to do is just find, I guess it's the default, okay, and just click next, and it'll do its thing, and then I'll tell you to finish. After doing that, boom, you have your Vegas. As you can see, I have my Vegas, and you can see that it works. So here it is, as you can see, Vegas Pro 15 in its full form. And yeah, I have many Vegas plugins, as you can see here. Yeah, it was my previous video and the editing. So this is the Vegas Pro 15. If you want, I can also teach you the basic stuff of how to use Vegas Pro 15. If you're a beginner, I can help you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope it helps you out. Peace out.